Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. The other day I did a video on a pair of earrings that I made with sari ribbon and some of the beads I got recently from Jesse James Beads. And these are the earrings I made. Aren't they fun? I really like these because they're kind of a standalone piece. I don't really need a necklace or anything else. Boom, earrings out the door. Today, though, I'm actually going to show you some other things you can do with these links that I had shown you how to make in that video. So stay tuned for some ideas. I really love making these little boho links, beads. They're actually links because they don't have a hole in the middle. They have two loops on either side. And there are so many things you can do with these links. And today I'm going to show you some of those things. All right, let me move some of this stuff out of the way here. I think I'm going to keep these blue ones. All right, I don't know if any of you have seen some of the boho dangles that I have made, but these would be fun to do something like that. A boho dangle is just a, here, let me see if I can show you. So this is what I'm talking about as far as a boho dangle is. This one, I just used some olive shells and wired them up along with beads. I made links out of everything and put them together. I used jump rings, topped it off with this cute little turtle. And as far as the hook or the thing you're going to hang it with, I just put a big jump ring at the top, and I took some hemp and fed it through there, tied a knot, kind of raveled that out a little bit, and so this is how I hang it. But this is a boho dangle, and it would be really easy to make a boho dangle out of these blue beads. You can hang the shell at the bottom there. See? It wouldn't be as long as this one, but it would be something fun to maybe hang in a window. I've got this just hanging on a skinny wall in my house. Those boho dangles are actually really fun to make, and I love having them hanging around different various places. And one thing you can do with these, like I've got these blue links, and I added a little bit of bling at the top. This one, I added some bling at the top and the bottom. And I see this as a boho link, or a boho dangle. I took this shell and wired some wire to match the beads here, the links. And I would just make something like this into another link, and then I would add these, and then have this at the top, and then make some type of something to hang it, and you would have this boho dangle. What you could do too is you could actually make this into a bracelet, like that. That would make a really nice bracelet. You could take this and kind of curve it up a little bit and add some chain and be a very simple necklace. I am going to actually have this, I guess I could call it a kit, available in my shop. Just need to take some pictures of it and list it. But like I said, there's a variety of things that you could do with it. Just need to add your own findings of whatever you're going to do. If you do the boho link, you can even mix your metals. Maybe you could take some silver wire and wire these up, and then use silver jump rings to put it all together. And you would have yourself a mixed metal boho dangle. And you can actually do that with the bracelet too. Now for this, here's another big boho link. You could do the same thing where you could curve it up and make a necklace. And then you could use these for the earrings. Or if you wanted a boho dangle, you could do that. I would make sure this is straight. And since we have these red beads here and red beads there, I would do it this way. And then put this at the top. And let's see, probably, ooh, that would look nice. Look at that. That's really pretty. And then just add a little, maybe a piece of hemp tie through there, and you could have you a boho dangle. Here's a better look at that. I think this is going to go in my shop too. So these next beads I want to show you, you can do several things with. We can make a bracelet, we can make earrings, we can make a boho dangle. You could even make a necklace. In fact, look at this. So you could put this like this, okay, and then here, and then here. And if you wanted to, you could hang this like this here. And we've mixed our metals. We have gold and silver and brass. And then you could just take a chain and hang it like this. All kinds of different things we could do with this. Do a boho dangle. We have this here, 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 here. Let's see. Put that there. You could do this however you wanted to, but that would make a really pretty boho dangle. Or you could do a bracelet. All kinds of different things. And again, I think I'm going to put these in my shop. These are actually made out of a type of yarn. I forgot what they call it. Used to make those scarves out of it. In fact, I have a video on how I made these. And of course, these are made from sari ribbon. They've got all kinds of different sequins and, yep, bunch of sequins on there. And some beads. Here's some beads. And then, of course, we have our seashell. All you need is some jump rings. Here's a nice little set. You could make a necklace. Just do like this. If you wanted to, you could add beads. Just add some chain. Or you could just do it like this and add some chain and then have these be earrings. Kind of do what maybe I did with these. Or you could do a boho dangle. Maybe put some beads in between here. And that shell would look good on there. Maybe I'll wrap this shell. Let's see, I got a shell that is wrapped. Yeah, I like this one better. Maybe I'll wrap the shell and put that in the shop too. Maybe add some more beads. I'll have to think about that one. And then look at this. I kind of curved it a little bit because I can see it as a necklace. Just add some chain to it. But again, you do a boho dangle, or like I said, that could be a pendant for a neck or a focal for a necklace. And then these would make fun earrings. I love all the sparkle of these. Let me know what you think of all these little boho beads, or big boho beads, some of them. And how would you use them? Would you use them in a dangle, or would you put them in a piece of jewelry?
I would really like to know. Just let me know down in the comments section below. And something else, which one is your favorite? We've got, I'll do it this way. This is A, B, C, D, or E. I think I like this one the best. I like the pink and the turquoise colors. And I would probably make this into a boho dangle. I don't know. I kind of like that necklace too. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.